Hello there, boys and girls. Today we will do part 3, okay, of our lesson on fraction. We will do a fraction project. I'll teach you how to do something with paper plates and come up with a fraction project. And then the second one, we will do a short test on fractions, okay? And yep, we learned some fraction songs before and I keep messing up and I'm sorry. But we can get our teeth into fraction, right? When we eat the fraction, we get our teeth into fraction. Get your teeth into fraction. Take a bit of the action. Try a slice of something nice and eat the fraction. We can eat the fraction. Okay, so before we start, let me put this down. Okay, if this is your paper plate, right? You have a paper plate and this is one whole paper plate. You didn't cut it up yet. This is one whole. But if you cut it up, if you fold it and make two parts, you have one half, right? This is your one half, like a half circle. And if you fold your one half, if you cut your one half again, then you have smaller part and you call this smaller part 1/4, okay? So you have this whole plate. This is my son's project. I just want to show it with you and I want you to do it because it's really cool. This is one whole plate and in the back, if you turn it over, he put one half here and he drew the eyeballs. And in the two parts, the other two parts, the two 1/4, he made them into the wings. See this? One half is the head, the two wings are the 1/4 parts. And then he just drew some legs. He made some legs and he put the thing here, the triangle here, right here in the middle, okay? All right, so he made a bird with his paper plate. The one whole, one half, and 1/4, and you just do the legs, okay? So do this. And you can always pause the video and get your paper and pencil for the short test. If you're ready, we can start. Okay, so I have, this will be number one. Number one, are you ready with your paper and pencil? Okay, number one. Oh, this one's dry. Toss it in the trash can. Okay, number one, here's my pizza. This is my one whole pizza and I slice it into two. If you eat this part, what part are you eating? What's your fraction? Is it 1/3 or 1/2? Remember, I have my one whole pizza and I slice it into two. What's the fraction? 1/3 or 1/2? Circle your answer. If you're done with it, you go to number two. Write number two. This is my one whole pizza and I slice it into 1, 2, 3. I want to share this part with you. If you eat this part, what's your fraction? What fraction are you eating? Is it 1/4 or 1/3? Circle your answer. If you're ready, go to number 3. Put number 3 under number 2. Okay, again, this is my whole pizza. But guess what? I slice it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 parts. And look at this. The slice is getting smaller, right? Because I have 5 parts instead of not 2, not 3, but 5 parts. Because I have more family members. I have 5 children. I need to split the pizza up into 5 equal parts for my 5 children. So this is for my one child. If my child eats this part, what is his fraction? Okay, so I said, is this 1/4 or 1/5? Okay, remember the numerator and the denominator. The numerator is the number on top and the denominator is the one that tells you how many slices you have in your whole, okay? The numerator is the number on top. All right, done? Okay, let's go to number 4. Let me put a line here. All right, so this is my pizza. I ordered a whole pizza. Okay, but my oldest child got married already, so he's out of the house. He has his own place, so I only have 4 kids left at home. Okay, if I slice my pizza into 4 equal parts and I give this to one of my children, what part is this? Is it 1/3 or 1/4? Circle the correct answer, correct fraction. Okay, done? All right, now, so we have the first 4 questions. Let's flip your paper over. Let's answer the next part of the test. Question number 1. I have 1, 2, 3 squares. All right. So I want you to color 1/3 red. How do you color 1/3 of this? This is my one hole. That's the hole. I want the 1/3 of my one hole red and color 2/3 of this blue. Okay? I'll just keep on going. Just have to pause the video, okay? Number 2, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. Now, what is 1/2 of 4? Okay, I want 1/2 of my picture blue. Color 1/2 of this blue and color 1/2 of this orange. Okay? Now, let's go to number 3. Number 3, I have my square, I have my shape here. It's a rectangle and I split it into 4. What do you call this part, the shaded part? Is it 1/3, 1/2, or 1/4? Circle the correct fraction. Get your teeth into fraction. Get a bit of the action. Try a slice of something nice and eat the fraction. Okay, number 4. I have my triangle here. I slice it into 2. Okay? If you slice an object into 2, you have what? A half is something sliced into. That's for me and that's for you. And when you cut a thing in half, you always end with equal parts. Because fractions equalize. Okay, yeah, that's all right. Okay, so what kind of fraction is this one, the shaded part? Is it 1/2, 1/3, or 1/4? Circle the correct fraction. Okay, so this is number 3. Number 4. What comes after number 4? It is number 5. Okay, so I have a circle here. Okay, this is my one hole. One hole. Can you show me 1/2? How do you split or how do you cut my circle and do 1/2? Color 1/2 of this circle red. Okay, let's go to number 6. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balls. Okay, but I group them into how many parts? If I circle this, if I give this away to one of my students, what fraction is this? What fraction is 2? Okay, I have 6 balls, but I want to give 2 to one of my students. So what part is this? What fraction is this? Is this 1/2, 1/3, or 1/4? Can you circle the correct answer? All right, so what comes after 6? 7. Let's do number 7. I have a square and I put a line here and another line. How many parts do I have in the square? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess what? I want to shade this. I want to color this part. What part is this? What part is the shaded part of the square? Is it 1/2, 1/3, or 1/4? Sorry. Can you circle the correct fraction? Let's go to number 8. Okay, this is my shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my shape with 6 sides. What do you call the shape with 6 sides? Is it a hexagon or an octagon? It's a hexagon. I didn't do it right. It looks weird, but it's okay. Show me 1/2 of this hexagon. Can you split this up? Can you cut my hexagon and show me 1/2 and color 1/2 blue, okay? Let's go to number 9. Number 9. Okay, this is my fraction, 1/3. I need a picture that shows 1/3. Is it the first one, the second one, or the third one? Circle the correct answer. All right, number 10. I have here my fraction 1/2. Which picture shows 1/2? Is this 1/2? Did I split it up equally? Because fractions equalize. Okay, is this equal? Is this equal or equal? Which one shows 1/2? There are two answers there. You can circle two answers in number 10. Got it? Okay, now you get a paper. This is our last one. You get a paper. It doesn't matter if it's clean paper or not clean. Okay, it's okay. It doesn't matter. Fold the paper and show me 1/3. How do you split this paper into 3 equal parts? 3 equal parts. Will it be this way? Is this 1/3? I don't know. Not very sure about that. Okay, but I need 1/3. How do you do it 1/3? Or she just fold it here and then one here. Will that be 1/3? Let's see. Is this 1/3? One down here, one in the middle, and one on top? I don't know. Okay, think with your brain. And this is my green paper. Get another paper and show me 1/2. Okay, how do you fold the paper and do 1/2? Got it? Okay, and then the next one will be I need another paper and show me 1/5. Okay, can you cut this or fold it? I need 5 equal parts. I need 1 part of this paper. Okay, give 1/5 of this paper to your parents. Okay, all right, so that concludes our lesson on fraction, and I hope you got all correct answers. Okay, bye bye.